In this video, I will show you how to blur a video in Premiere Pro. You can apply the blur effect to a single clip or multiple clips at the same time. If you only want to blur a single clip, you can skip the first step. But if you want to apply the effect to multiple clips, start by right-clicking in the project panel. Hover over New Item and then click on Adjustment Layer. A new window will open. Keep the settings as they are and click OK. Now, make sure the duration of the adjustment layer matches the clips you want to blur. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer or directly onto the clip you want to blur. Now, select the adjustment layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Look for the blur effect and adjust the blurriness value to your liking. This will create a simple blur effect. To create a blur out effect, move your clip to the start of the timeline. Set the blurriness to a high value, then click on the stopwatch icon next to it. Now, move the playhead a few frames forward and set the blurriness to 0. Play the video to see the blur gradually disappear. And that is how you add a blur effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.